list. I had a
Good
list.
morning, good morning, good morning.
My list of my weeklies.
I am watching a video by Barbara Womack, or Barbara Oliver. If you are listening to what's going on, and I'm going to stop it so I can concentrate on it later. While I do my hair, I'm going to try to do something a little different. Yeah. Trying to make sure I don't have too much tension on my hair. I hope I've got it done correctly. And so I put that first ponytail in, and then I put in the second one because it's too much tension for me to pull them all together as one. And this is my hairstyle for today. My 360. And I may come back later and let you know if I was able to wear this ponytail all day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And of course, I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. Stay tuned.
This is the third time this year.
It's starting to look different.
And you are very lucky that the owner of the ranch called me instead of pressing charges. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. I did wear my ponytail all day. It is now about, well, it's 8:08. And it is time for me to take it out because I can feel it. I don't know the last time I've worn my hair this way or confined for this many hours. And I am ready for it to breathe. Oh, yeah. In order for me to wear a ponytail, I have to put a ponytail within a ponytail. There's that second, the first one I put in. And I didn't put it in very tight. I just put the holders around 2 times. And oh my, it feels so good to have it out. But it didn't bother me all day. So that's the end of that. And you have a good night. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you.